Hey, and welcome back, YouTubers. In today's episode, we're going to pitch two batteries, one against the other. This is going to be Energizer versus Rayovac. The purpose of this experiment is to see which battery has a higher internal resistance. Batteries provide energy from chemical reactions that take place within the battery cells. However, one thing about batteries is that they also have internal resistance, and they also act like resistors. But since batteries are different, they have different resistances, which means that in terms of how much heat is generated when batteries are used, there's different amount of loss of energy due to the internal resistance. So what I'm going to do today is connect these batteries directly together as shown in the circuit to the left of them. And then I'm going to use a thermal camera to determine how much internal resistance each battery has. So the one that gets hotter will be the one that has higher internal resistance, and therefore the one that loses more energy in the form of heat within the battery cells themselves. So without further ado, let's begin our experiment. I've just connected the batteries together as such, and you can already see that one of the batteries is starting to heat up more than the other battery. So basically what's happening here is the Rayovac battery is heating up a lot, and the Energizer battery is staying relatively cool. I'm getting 31 degrees on the Rayovac within seconds of connecting them together, and the other battery, which is the Energizer battery, is staying just a little bit above room temperature. So this is really interesting. This is a little bit dangerous, and you want to make sure that the batteries don't explode. I'm doing this indoors, but it may be more advisable to do an experiment like this out of doors. So it seems that the Rayovac battery has a higher internal resistance as determined by the heat production when the Rayovac and the Energizer are connected together in series. And as you can see here, it's getting close to 40 degrees centigrade. Now these batteries were brand new, identical in terms of age, and the only thing that results in the difference in temperature is the internal resistance of the batteries. The current flowing through each battery and each of the cells within each of these batteries is identical. Let's see what we're looking at now. It's getting close to 50 degrees, and very soon I'm going to stop this because I don't want it to get too much hotter than that. Just disconnected them. Thought you'd find that interesting, as I did. It shows the interesting differences between different kinds of batteries. This could also be tried with lower voltage batteries, these are 9 volts, to see which ones win. So in this case, the Energizer wins. Hail to the Energizer bunny. Please check back later, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like these kind of videos.